as the spring cleaning goes and we're spring renewal, the next thing on the list is going to be our eye care and looking at eye creams and peptides and things around the eye. And part of it is like, when I'm using it in the winter too, yes, but what's happening in the summer is because of the moisture that you're losing, this whole area now is unbelievably going to be drier. And because it's losing more moisture, and it's losing moisture faster than someplace else on your face because the skin is so delicate.
Okay.
So you're going to want to make sure that you have a great eye. Here's a skin one, it's Tripeptide eye. That's really, really cool. And then here's another one, which is an eye, and the eye one is from Factor 5. It's a stem cell eye. And this product is super cool because it not only you can put it on your eyelid and underneath, but it also will grow your lash.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Ooh.
Because it has stem cells.
Nice.
So it's pretty cool, but eye is a huge thing.